Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus has been teasing the Nord for about 2 to 3 weeks now, and they have launched the second part of the 4-part documentary on their official Instagram channel where they take you on a journey of how the product came into shape. We now have some information on the phone, starting with the colors. The phone may be launched in a blue that you saw on the Amazon page, a mint and a white color option. Definitely these are some nice and vibrant colors to attract the crowd that this phone is targeted at. We also have some information on the camera of the smartphone, which we all know will get a quad camera setup at the back, and OnePlus claims that it will be a flagship level camera complete with OIS. Now you know how much I love OIS and how badly I want it to come to every mid-range smartphone, so this makes me really happy. Also, the quad camera setup may include a 48 megapixel sensor along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 5 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth camera. The main sensor is assumed to be the Sony IMX586, which is a part of the OnePlus 8, and since the OnePlus 8 is a flagship now, this might very well be the camera of choice for the Nord as well. On the front we get a 32 megapixel main camera along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide in a pill shaped cutout on the top left corner of the phone. The phone might get a 4000 mAh battery along with a 30-watt warp charger. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 765G chipset, get at least 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and a 90Hz Super AMOLED display. OnePlus has already confirmed that the phone will be unveiled on the 21st of July through the world's first AR launch, so you will be able to interact with the phone using the OnePlus Nord application that you can download on the Google Play Store and the App Store. Also, the pre-order for India should start on the 15th of July for 500 rupees, and OnePlus shares that people who pre-order the phone will get goodies worth Rs 5,000. According to Ishan Agrawal, those who pre-order will get a gift box containing Nord merchandise, and if you complete the purchase before 31st of August, you should get another gift box containing OnePlus Bullets version 1 and a phone cover for your new phone. The Bullets wireless should come really handy since the phone doesn't have a headphone jack. Also, OnePlus has shared the box of the Nord, which does appear to be a high quality box, and we can assume that the unboxing experience would be great as well. Also, the new Samsung has confirmed that the next Unpacked event will take place on the 5th of August. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy Note 20 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5G at the event. Speaking of the Galaxy Note 20 series, the one feature that sets the Note series apart from any other phone on the market is the S Pen that is a part of the phone. With each Note device, Samsung has added some new functionality to the S Pen, which may or may not be useful, but we don't know a lot about the S Pen features Samsung will announce on the 5th of August, except that the S Pen will now have a latency of just 9 milliseconds, which is the same as the Apple Pencil, that will make using the S Pen a lot more intuitive and enjoyable experience. Now, YouTuber Jimmy is Promo, who gave us the first live look at the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, has shared an image that depicts one of the key features of the S Pen to come with the Note 20 series. With the Note 20 series, it seems like the S Pen can be used as a pointer to navigate around the interface by pressing and holding the S Pen button. There is an option to customize the pointer's speed. There may also be some customization for when the S Pen is used as a laser pointer for viewing presentations in PowerPoint, where you can change the pointer's color, size and have an option to add a trail. This can prove to be extremely useful when using the phone in DeX mode and for cases where you don't want to hold the phone in your hands and might place it on a stand while watching a movie on that gigantic 6.9-inch display. Also, Samsung seems to be following the footsteps of Apple, and soon after news broke about Apple removing the charger from the iPhone 12 retail box, even Samsung is rumored to be considering removing the chargers from some of their phones in the future. If it decides to go ahead with this, we might see the first Samsung phones to ship without a charger starting next year. We are entering into an era where all smartphones will eventually ship without a charger, just like they don't include a headphone jack and the earphones. That's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about the OnePlus Nord. Do you think the hype is justified? Also smash the like button if you like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.